Hi everybody, it's Gary here and welcome. What I'm going to show you today is a little social bookmarking tool that I've been using for quite some time and had some amazing successes with it. In fact, only this morning I clipped a little piece from a little bit of content from one of my sites, and within 45 minutes not only had Google been to Clipmarks and indexed it, but it was available for all to see on the web. Okay, so that said, what I'm going to show you to do is how to actually install Clipmarks on your PC or your Mac. Okay, so if you go to clipmarks.com and then click on the sign up button there, okay, which is in the top right hand corner, ask you for an email address, which I'll type my Gmail address in there. I'm going to go for username Gary Graye, and my password is going to be, you didn't expect me to tell you, did you? Okay, so basically I now need to type in these two words, A-N-I, looks like M-U-S, but I might be wrong. Let's see how we go with that. Okay, so now I have a Clipmarks account. And what we now need to do is to install Clipmarks. So if I click on the install button here, okay, there's actually a tutorial here that's actually built in that shows you how to install the bookmark on your browser, either for Internet Explorer or for Firefox. Now, I've already installed that on the server, but on my browser, but I'll see if I can install it again actually. Okay, so basically I click on the button because I'm using the Firefox browser, okay. Then comes up with a screen here and says, you know, do you want Clipmarks 3.5.1 by Clipmarks? Yes, I do. So basically, if I run down here, I add to Firefox, click on the button. It needs authorization. I can actually install that now. I need to restart Firefox to take that into consideration, which is going to happen now. Just bear with me 1 second. Okay. As Firefox comes back. Take a moment or two. Okay. So basically, what we've got now is in the top right-hand corner of the browser, we have got a little button here, which you can see. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to, let's just see. If I wanted to bookmark something now, what I could do is if I go to here, let's say this page here, and these two particular DJs I find quite entertaining. If I want to clip this and include it in my Clipmarks, what I do is I click on the button up here, and this bar appears here. Now, as you can see, as I move my cursor over the different fields, it's putting a headline round it, or a yellow box around it, should I say. Okay, so that a bit that I want to actually save is I want to put that on the clip. I also want to put that on the clip. I want to put like the latest show on the clip. And I might want to put this photo gallery on the clip. So once I finish clipping, it actually gives me a number of characters clipped and the amount to the sharing limit. But once I clip that, I can click here when done. I click on save. The clip title could be, I'm putting my name here because I want the clip to be associated to me, and I want you to be able to look later and see whether the clip was indexed quickly with Clipmarks, which it usually is. So if I put Gary Graye, Radcliffe, and Mackay. Can't spell? Okay. So I'm going to click on that and just highlight that, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that as my comment. So basically I've got a clip title, I've got a comment in here, and I'm going to put some tags in here. I'm going to put Gary Graye, I'm also going to put Radcliffe and Macaulay, and I'm going to put BBC 2. I'm going to put Gary Graye BBC 2 because BBC, it's a massive massive station, as you may or may not be aware of, and it's quite difficult to rank, I would imagine. Not BBC 2, it's Radio 2. Bear with me. Radio 2. Okay, so I've created some tags there, and that is basically it. So I've created 3 lots of tags. My name, Radcliffe and Macaulay. I'm going to change that slightly and put no, actually that is it. So I've got some tags in there, I've got a comment in there, and I've got a title. That is really it. When I click this button here that says done, okay, that clip has been saved. If I look at it on my page now, there you go. This is the clip that I made. So as you can see, it's really simple to use this. And I think if you check back and you do a search in Google later for Gary Graye, Radcliffe and Macaulay, you'll actually find this clip, you know, and I'd be very surprised if it's not on the first page, but let's see how we go. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I do encourage you to use this routine because at Clipmarks, as I say, we've had great success with it, and it's something that you can deploy quickly and easily. And if you, I wouldn't advise that all you do is to clip your own content. You need to clip other content, otherwise you would get banned from Clipmarks. But I would certainly go to the ratio of maybe 3 or 4 to 1. What I mean by that is clip 3 or 4 pieces of somebody else's information that may be on topic, maybe in line with your own therapy practice, or it may be music based or anything based. And then for every 3 or 4 that you do of everybody else's, push one of your own in there. And if you do that, you won't have a problem. You really won't. So with that said, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye bye.